Hi, to check blood oxygen level on Google Pixel Watch free, firstly you need to make sure that Fitbit app is installed both on your phone and on your watch. To check this, just press this crown, go through the list, and you should see this tab Fitbit Today. Tap it to open, and now scroll a bit down to find blood oxygen measurements. And yep, here it is. Tap it, and actually to be able to track blood oxygen you need to wear your watch overnight. You can tap here to open everything on the phone, and then in health metrics find this oxygen saturation, and now you'll be able to find all of its data and percentage as well. Here you can read about oxygen saturation, such as what it is, how we calculate data, and so on. But most important, you need to know that graph shows your nightly average blood oxygen level over the past week, and that you need to wear your watch overnight to be able to track this type of health metrics. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.